The lens is dirty. See? See yourself?
So dirty.
No, it's just because it's over Wi-Fi.
No, we're trying to lift this section up. You hit down and you pull up.
Oh.
That's not nice.
Came part. Oh, dude.
See the lock now? So this is OEM. The IMS. Sorry, I'm sorry. Look, get a pick me. I want to pull this seal. I want to see what it looks like. So in the car, you pull the snap ring, and then you have a puller that pulls it out complete. And pulls the whole head out.
Hopefully.
So the original ones have the seal on it, and they were built to run dry in the engine. So like a wheel bearing, you know, has a lifespan. This had no oil, no lubrication. So we used to pop them out to help. You see how it's kind of grayish looking? So that's the metal breaking down on it. Oh yeah, you feel rough it feels now. It's not dead, but it's getting there, right? And there's the balls that roll on the bearings. Anyway,
Replace it?
yeah, stop ring.
Snap ring? Oh, the.
Maybe not called it. Carl, you snap it up. I don't have to pull it with me, so. You want to pull it?
Oh, yeah, I'm looking for a pull.
What? Couple more?
Wait, you're not gonna change that? You're gonna put it in like that?
Oh. I'll take that.
Oh, while it's in.
Yeah, I need to press it. I don't know how to press it out without in the case.
It's that black one.
Oh, the guide thing.
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
No. It goes on the other
Outside?
side. Yeah,
Okay.
I think. Wait, no, it wouldn't be that side.
Because there's no hole.
I guess it's on that side.
Oh, like the next side of the engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it should be. Yeah, so when he gets this side, it'll be on this side.
Okay. Yeah. So you have to mount this, put the piston,
Yeah.
and then flip it over.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think.
Long process.
That would make sense,
but
right?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Because it's, yeah. Just like your brother's motor.
Yeah. Because it's a boxer one too, right?
Single 13. You don't have to touch anything. Say it. Say it.
The cable is a ball, right? It's a ball. I'm passing in the neutral. It's a ball on the lever. It's a ball. Ball, right? It's a ball.
Let me get this. See where it's jumping.
Oh, that's what you were moving.
Yeah.
To take the tension off the chain.
Yeah, you know, it's like it's fighting me to go in. I don't know why.
Why don't you just take off the plastic?
Plastic rail?
On the other
Oh,
side.
right there, yeah.
What are you talking about?
Or the one on the bottom.
Yeah, I could have, but I don't want it. Hey, mister, your turn. You know, every time I touch my finger now, I feel this little pain. You know where the guy slapped it with the tool? Come closer.
More in?
Yeah, let me get it around first. Okay, yeah, you stay there. I'm gonna do a little rotation, make sure it's nice, good.
Nah, man. Wait, my mind's not in no car. I'm trying to finish this quick. Why do I just want a car? I don't have a car.
Man has street cars and say he doesn't have a car.
No fucking car.
Okay, guys. So you have no car? How's that possible?
Good lies. Left there?
No.
Yeah, the little left there was there.
Throw it away, I don't see it. Excuse me.
Oh, throw it away?
Yeah, I don't.
This is some real fucking smoke up the split.
You know what? Two hands, man. That's good. Where's it going?
Into the slots. Oh, to the dog pins, eh?
Yeah.
didn't see this side, but seems good. I don't think we're on this side though.
Right about there. Camera's gonna hit the dolphins. It's heavy.
Yeah?
You know, I don't usually do like this. I usually just manage it. It's just getting heavier and heavier on us.
You're getting oily, man.
Okay, that was hot, bud.
Next side?
Yeah.
So, rod.
Oh, okay, I was right. You did first.
And really, I should have put the rods in first.
Yeah.
But anyway, I like to work hard. Start here, rod, and we'll do rod number 2, rod number 3.
So you grab them?
Yeah. Where's the...
Why do you think that's different?
3.6? Getting 3.6 didn't come anyway. I mean 3.2 didn't come anyway. They didn't offer it, but 3.6 they did. I know, weird.
You mean in a Porsche?
Yeah.
Did you know that there's manual V8?
Yeah, I drove one.
Thanks for having me.
They were charging anyway. I say you want it, then no pay.
Got to put other engine.
Yeah, man, you guys are missing out on something. Charging for
What was it, Digifan or Carrot? Digifan. It was like a separate harness for the knock sensor?
Yeah. A very basic harness, but yeah. Can't wait to drop all these in the engine. Stop. Turn it. Did you just turn it or no?
Did I turn it?
Did you turn it?
No, you didn't.
Keep your eyes open, man.
Is this yeah. That's what it sounded like.
Looks like my handle. No, not today.
You ain't gonna faint when you see blood.
That's why I like that red stuff. The holes in the rock will bounce around. And this is exactly how you install it. You see that little angle there? Then the pin goes through the middle when the other half's on there. Kind of good. And we're in there trying to bounce it around and have it.
So 4, 2, and 6.
Put back. Put the weight of the vehicle on this. A lot of people don't know that. You guys have a dial caliper?
I don't think so. Need a proper table to set that.
If I think it anymore. What motor is this?
The Porsche? M96 3.6. Yeah,
Conservo invece alcuni stracci di quando l'MC che cresceva in me, che sarei finito a fare questo. Sono un MC per vocazione, anche se più volte sono caduto in tentazione. Cos'altro dire? Ne avrò sbagliate tante.
Yeah, you need a dial caliper to check this before you even reinstall it.
Davide, si è visto Davide, ma dove si è cacciato? Davide, si è visto Davide, ma dove si è cacciato?
How many suits?
3, I think, yeah.
Seriously? But only one would go bad.
Well, there's one inside. We don't know what to leave.
Nothing.
The main one that's on the
I'm looking for coils for my
and then there's
massage.
ones that are
all-wheel
inside the
drive.
actual housing in the case.
I should have bought them from Rock Auto.
But those on the outside won't release.
I had the money and all, and I'm like,
Kills a pad, but I'm flat.
2 liter turbo
Next
diesel.
pad, flat.
Wait, keep going to.
I say diesel.
Okay.
Okay.
Heat shop would have been the
So-
better idea too.
Back in the day, you know Rock Auto used to carry international.
Yes.
They used to have every fucking
Yes.
every fucking Toyota listed. Well, again or something like that.
Hey, you forgot, you have the machine guy already?
In Canada,
Yeah.
25 speed in that model.
Can't do it, you can pick it up.
Right.
Needs a clutch.
Oh.
6 speed and the 5 speed, one carry like 23 spine. So he kept trying to order clutch, right?
I'm gonna have a problem.
And kept getting sent the wrong thing.
Yeah.
I found it for a minute.
Right.
So technically,
I
you got
ordered that. But I didn't have enough money to grab the timing
off balance.
He must fucking know.
belt kit with it. I was in December. Delivered end of
He stared you down the
December.
road.
It was all gone. No access to that international shit no more. Everything was there.
Knuckle dragging time. We fucked up. Take that fucking motor, dig it out of the
What I'm
garage,
talking about?
sit in the corner on a
What are
cart.
you gonna do? All-wheel drive or
It is already all-wheel drive.
Chinese guy.
Mom moved the motor.
He loves fucking wiring.
Huh? It was a 6. I'm not changing the tranny. I ain't changing nothing. Okay. Oh, boy, it was $1,300. That's worth it.
Motor plate, I don't know how you had the final thing.
Drag my fucking foot, and I should have fucking got it.
Those the springs that I'm asking you for,
Damn. I can't.
I had to put in 2 lowering springs. You know,
There's no resting room.
which makes my front
This
side
part,
low.
Yeah.
there won't be no resting room if I don't.
It needs to be a little bit lower. So you gotta put a spacer on the front to raise the front a little bit.
Yeah, I got a
Spacer on the spring.
shitload of work to do.
Try to pay rent as always. Best man with less than 50%. No food, chicken heads roll the room like she's 9 months in June. Soon after, we high, yo, I'm done with the laughter. A cool game, a combat. 3 heads, but I'm the only one left. And she says, you so deaf, you so deaf, you so deaf. Check it out, daylight, and up until 4 in the morning, working on a CD, that 12-inch. Now we on the record, I still wear plaid.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, it's dust free now. It wasn't working shop, be different, huh? A lot of dust floating in the air.
That's why you need a separated area just for building engines.
Raccoon might logo in there or something.
You ever see them
Raccoon.
you ever see them online?
No, doesn't have this.
The whole thing's white.
That's why I have these two ones.